Greetings and thank you for joining me for this presentation of the NetApp Snap Creator Framework. Today we're going to take a look at the Snap Creator server installation on a Unix environment. Specifically, we'll be using Red Hat Linux, but other flavors of Linux, Solaris, HPUX, and AIX are all installed in the same fashion. Before we get started, there are a few prerequisites. It is highly recommended to create a data ONTAP user and role specifically for the use of Snap Creator. Detailed instructions on how to do this can be found in the Snap Creator Installation and Administration Guide. The Snap Creator server requires Java, version 1.6 or greater. Snap Creator can be downloaded from support.netapp.com. Click Downloads, then Software, then Snap Creator Framework. Choose your version and you'll be presented with the list of downloadable files. Community versions of Snap Creator are installed in the same fashion. Community releases are available on the Snap Creator developer community at www.snapcreator.com. Let's get on with the installation. When you download Snap Creator for any flavor of Unix, you get a zipped package. The first thing that you'll need to do is unzip this package. Depending on your flavor of Unix, you may have to execute the gunzip command and then execute the tar command to fully extract the file. And that's the method that I'm going to show you now. But you may simply be able to just run the tar command. Gunzip the file and extract the file. When this is completed, I have two subdirectories, SC agent for the Snap Creator agent and SC server for the Snap Creator server. At this point, you can install just the server, just the agent, or both. For the purposes of this video, we're going to install the Snap Creator server. So I'll change directories into the SC server directory. To set up Snap Creator, run the command snapcreator -- setup. You're prompted to install either the Snap Creator server or the remote CLI. Installing the remote CLI will allow you to run Snap Creator commands on any system. For example, if you run a Linux desktop, you could install the remote CLI and execute Snap Creator commands from your desktop without the need to SSH into a different system. For this example, we're going to install the server. Read through and agree to the end user license agreement and select Yes. Would you like to set up the NetApp Snap Creator framework? Yes. You're prompted to enter your controller's serial number. This is optional, but it is recommended because it embeds the serial number of your system into Snap Creator logs. In the event that you need to open a support case, it makes it easier for NetApp support to identify your system, reducing overall support time. For this example, I'm going to leave it blank and just press Enter. You're prompted to enter the Snap Creator server port. The default port is 8080, but you can choose any available port that you wish. This is the port that we'll use to communicate with the Snap Creator Graphical User Interface, or GUI. I'll accept the default of 8080. Next, I'm prompted as to if I wish to enable the Snap Creator Job Monitor. With Snap Creator, every action that it performs is considered a job, and the Snap Creator Job Monitor keeps track of these jobs in an easy-to-understand dashboard-type interface, where successful jobs have a green check mark, failed jobs have a red X, and jobs that completed but with errors have a yellow exclamation point. You can also see information on if the job was a scheduled job or manually executed, information about what configuration and profile it is, and you can view job logs right there from the job monitor. I am going to enable this by selecting Yes, and next I'm prompted to enter a job monitor size, which is how many jobs the job monitor will hold. The default is 100, which I will accept by pressing the Enter key. Enter a Snap Creator server username, any username that you like. I'll use admin, a password, and confirm the password. This completes the configuration for Snap Creator server. Information about how to start it is on screen. Change to the bin directory and run the command scserver start. This completes the installation of the NetApp Snap Creator server on Linux. For more information about Snap Creator, visit our forums at www.netapp.com/snapcreator or visit our Snap Creator developers community at www.snapcreator.com.